Welcome, in front of me I have SUUNTO Run watch and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up on the home screen, the current watch face, to open the widgets panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of widgets, and we are interested in this one, control panel. Once you see it, tap on it, and here scroll through the list of controls and look for the one called Do Not Disturb. Once you find it, you can tap on the switch next to it to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. You can also use the crown button to enable it or disable it. And once you enable the Do Not Disturb mode, you can press the lower button right here to go back to watch face. You can tell that the mode is enabled by the icon right here on the watch face. Also, if you open the widgets, on the control panel you will see this icon with the speaker that has X next to it, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, of course you need to open the control panel, select the Do Not Disturb mode, tap on the switch or press the crown button, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. As you can see, on the control panel the icon disappeared, and also on the watch face the icon should be gone, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.